register for my class that's coming up on the 10th. So we're going to bring in some lunch like we usually do, but this time we're going to go into a lot of detail on something very specific for the market right now. And we're going to be talking about the winning offer, creating the winning offer. And we all know how difficult things are right now in the market with trying to get an offer accepted. So I've compiled a whole class where we're going to go through all of the things that I see, because I experience a lot with different realtors, and so I've got everything put together to share all the ideas that I have as well as those that are coming. We'll be able to share ideas where we can figure out best practices for getting an offer accepted. A lot of you are great at doing one or two things that help win offers, but we're going to go over the one or two things that everybody does so that we get a big list of things that we can do on a regular basis to help push our offers, our clients' offers, to the top of the list and be considered. With that being said, one thing that I am doing that realtors aren't in a position to do is prepping the client. So when I'm doing my consultations with the clients, I'm preparing them and setting those expectations. Instead of just saying, here's what you qualify for, good luck, I'm going through the whole process saying, here's how the market is. This is how aggressive people are being. This is where the difference is going to be with the appraisal and the purchase price of the home. So we're going to need to have some cash available potentially to exceed the appraised value. We need to position things so that you have money for the closing costs, because that's not a thing that you can negotiate in this kind of a market with a seller. So things like that, where I'm prepping these clients so that when they get to you to go out and look at homes and you're ready to write an offer, they're not surprised and caught off guard and say, well, I didn't realize I had to do that, or not be willing to do that, because obviously we're seeing a lot right now where clients, they say, you know what, I'm not willing to go that high on this house. Let's find another one. And really, it might be the perfect home for them, but their expectations have just not been set correctly. And so that's something that I'm doing. I'd love to help you more. So please send anyone over that I can help out and set those expectations with and create a winning offer. But click on the link in the email to register for my class. It's on the 10th. It's on a Wednesday at noon. We'll have lunch, share a lot of good tips and knowledge, and just improve our businesses and get better. Thanks.